Hi, this is Kit Welchlin, and welcome to Welchlin.com. Today's video blog is on listening. The question is, are you a content-oriented listener? Hey Kit, I was glancing at one of your handouts or workbooks on effective listening skills. I noticed you listed listening styles. Now, you had a questionnaire about people-oriented, action-oriented, time-oriented, and content-oriented listeners. Best I could tell, I think at work I'm probably a content-oriented listener. Well, let's see. Are you most interested in the quality of the messages heard? Do you give more weight to the messages of experts and credible sources? Do you seek details? Are you skilled at analyzing an issue from several perspectives? Or do you simply enjoy ideas for their own sake and explore them in thorough exchanges? If so, you may be a content-oriented listener. There are many benefits to having a content-oriented listener on your team. When the goal is to evaluate the quality of ideas, and when there's value in looking at issues from a wide range of perspectives. Also, when the topic is a complicated one. However, if you are always listening as a content-oriented listener, there may be a few drawbacks. It risks annoying people who do not have the same sort of analytical orientation. It can take more time than others may be willing to give. Finally, the challenging of ideas that comes with it can be perceived as overly critical or even hostile. So if analysis is called for, put on your content listening oriented persona. Keep in mind, you can boost your effectiveness by assessing the listening preferences of your conversational partners and adapting your style to them. I never realized that even listening could have its drawbacks. Too much of a good thing. Ugh. I have focused on work and life balance. Now I need to focus on listening style balance too. There's more to listening than I thought. Thank you for watching this video blog on listening. So the question was, are you a content-oriented listener? Hopefully at work, we are all listening to the content, so we make good decisions. Whichever style you use, it's important to recognize that you can control the way you listen and use the style that best suits the situation at hand. If your organization is suffering with miscommunication, contact me at kit@welchlin.com and I will provide a fun, engaging, and informative presentation on effective listening skills. Check back to welchlin.com every Monday for a new video blog.